Which ones can you do? If I was coming to your house, what would you cook me? What would you be proud of?
Uh, I think I will make deep fried shrimp because it's not good for your health, but at least the guests will taste it pretty good.
So it tastes really good.
Yeah.
So, how are you today?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thanks. How about you?
I'm doing very well, thank you. I'm excited today. I'm looking forward to these new sets of tests. How's your school going?
It's kind of normal. I just got 210
Two tens in what? Fix your camera, buddy, so I can see your face.
in math and English.
Well, English, I don't doubt. Math, too. That's really good. A little higher, a little higher. There we go. That way you don't have all the text in your mouth when we do all the subtitles and stuff. And math, too. 10 on 10. You got 10 on 10 on English and 10 on 10 on math.
Yes.
Wow, that's incredible. It's really,
Physics and biology tomorrow.
Are those going to be tougher? You're going to get 10 on 10 on those, too?
Yeah, I will try.
You'll try. You said you weren't very good at chemistry last time.
Yeah.
So no chemistry test this time?
Next week I'll have chemistry test.
Next week. All right. Okay. Part 1, social interaction. Topic 1 is cooking. Do you enjoy cooking? Tell me why or why not.
Yes, I do like cooking. Because cooking gives me a chance to be creative, and I can enjoy my free time when I cook. And I can get to choose what I make and what goes into the dish, so the family can enjoy and eat it.
Okay, cool. What types of food can you cook?
I can cook a lot of simple things like instant noodles, fried eggs, stir rice, and boiled vegetables. I can cook more, but this is the easiest thing that I can make. Yeah.
Okay, good. So you can cook a few things. What dishes or food are you best at cooking? Which ones can you do? If I was coming to your house, what would you cook me? What would you be proud of?
I think I will make deep fried shrimp because it's not good for your health, but at least the guests could taste it pretty good.
So it tastes really good.
Yeah.
Not good for you, but it tastes good. All right, that's very good. Okay. Topic 2 is music. Do you like listening to music?
Well, not really. I don't listen to music, but I like listening to background music, wilderness, like bird tweeting, words flowing, yeah, things outside the world, these sounds.
Okay, so flowing rivers, birds chirping.
Yeah.
That kind of stuff. Okay, that's cool. And that's relaxing for sure. Okay, so why do you enjoy listening to this kind of music, this type of music?
Because it don't have lyrics, and lyrics, yeah.
Lyrics.
Lyrics.
Yeah, no voice.
it's the sound is not loud. It's kind of enjoyable. I feel rest when I heard them.
Okay. So relaxed, things like that. All right.
Yeah, relax.
All right. So when you're listening to these things, can you concentrate on other things when you are listening to this music?
If I listening to like pop music, I cannot concentrate on learning or doing other things because it's made me feel annoying because of those noisy sounds. Oh, and about the nature sounds, it makes me feel comfortable. So I can do things well, but not concentrate on it.
So
Yeah.
you don't listen to music much if you have to concentrate.
Yes.
Okay. All right. I'll try to be clear on all that stuff. All right. That's the end of part one. Good. Part two, situation discussion. You are going to find a place for you and your family to move to. 3 locations are suggested. In a small city, in a big city, or move out to the countryside. You will have 1 minute to prepare your answer. So, which do you think is the best place for you and your family to live? All right. So I'm going to, starting now, you have 1 minute to prepare. Time is up, mister. So tell me, what place did you choose? Why? And why not the others?
I think I will move my family to the countryside because, first of all, in my perspective, the most thing to have a great life is peace. So countryside is much more peaceful, and the scenery is spectacular than the city for who loves nature. The second reason is that they live in a united community, so the people in the countryside are often friendly, comfortable, and helpful than in the city.
Why not big city or small city?
They have the same reason that I don't like is it's polluted and I don't like modern things much, so I don't want to live there.
So for the same reasons, just cities in general. No cities.
Yeah. It's small.
What about the internet? Still need the internet?
Internet? Yes, you need to search answers and things.
All right. That's good. All right. So now we're going to go to part 3. Almost finished.
Yeah.
So part 3, topic development. Discuss the topic. Computers have made a very vital impact on society and have changed our way of life. I'm going to give you 1 minute now again to prepare your answer. Starting now. Your time is up, mister. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. Computers have made a very vital impact on society and have changed our way of life. What do you got to say about that?
Can I talk now?
Yes, of course. I just asked you the question.
Computers nowadays is widely used and growing fast around the world. It helps to resolve problems that we encounter in daily life. Therefore, it has a big impact on our society. On the positive side, it is a tool that we need to use a lot in order to search things that we don't know. We can see the advantage of it more clearly nowadays during the pandemic by helping the students learn online when they can't go to school. On the other side, some people don't know how to make computers become useful. They use it to do negative things like such as posting fake news or information saying bad about someone and more. Some people don't do bad things, but they are addicted to online games or social medias. These are good and bad things about computer. About education, as I said, it helps students learn online during the disease breakout. Teachers don't have to write too much on the board. Instead, they can do slides on their computer and just shown on a projector. Computers also help students find answers for homework. With the development of technology, computers not only used on education and research, it also useful in healthcare problems and communication. Computers now can control lab equipment, blood pressure monitors, heart rate monitors, and other important medical equipment, as well as notify staff if something is not right. Anyways, computers still have an important role in our life. That's all.
True, yeah. Education has certainly, the internet has certainly exploded in the world of online education. For sure, it's one of the biggest. No, that's very good. Do you think people will continue using computers in the future? What will the computers of the future look like?
I think they will still using computers in the future, but in another form, like hologram. You know that.
Like in the movies.
And the screen will be like in the air, not like steel screen or flat screen anymore.
Yeah, that'd be a lot more convenient. And I agree with you 100%. So you talked a little bit about positives and negatives. Number two here, just to be a little more clear, what negative effects do you think computers have on their users? So not what people are doing, but how does it affect people negatively? How does it affect you?
It might make their brain become they doing things slower and make their job doing like reduce the quality. Uh, Addicted people.
What about spending too much time on computers? If you're doing a good thing, is it still good or bad to spend hours on the computer, even if you're doing something productive?
They will get addicted and people like, they cannot help anything for the society, things and people. So those people are so hard to say.
Yeah. Okay, that's all right. I'm not going to get anything perfect. Do you think young people use emails more often than older people in your country? If so, how so?
Yes, they do because first, the younger you are, the faster of knowledge you gain. So young people can easily access the internet when they're still young. On the other hand, old people only approach these technologies when they have already passed the middle age. Back to my country, as I said, young people use emails more often instead of sending mail to the post office like the old people.
Emails to the post office.
No, the mail, sending mail, not emails.
Okay. So using email instead of using the old post office, yeah.
Yeah.
Biggest convenience for sure. A lot of post offices are going to close. All right, that's really good. No, you prepared quite well.
Oh, I didn't prepare.
Oh, you got more? Oh, you didn't prepare.
It's right. It's the right words.
I thought you prepared for everything.
Oh, I don't have time.
You don't have time. Oh my God. Oh, that's true. You guys had a lot of tests, and Jack had tests all day today too. All right, buddy. Good job. We'll see you next week.
Well, bye-bye.
Bye. Hello, how are you? Long time no see. Nobody's talking to me. Why they don't talk to me?
Because he can't hear you.
Oh, he can't hear me. All right, tell him the whole world is watching him now.
Yeah.